A chilly start this morning, but plenty of sunshine and some wintry showers in the north. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday. Asteroid strike.
The Space Agency said it was spotted in December in Chile by one of their constant monitoring systems, and it was alerted them and flagged it up to them.
Yeah.
They will now have a big meeting, discussion about it, and say if they missions to deflect it and change its course.
Just like
is 100 metres by 400 metres, 100 metres by 40 metres. So it's around about the size of a football field.
But it's the speed at which it's travelling.
This agency, there's the 1 in an 83 chance of a direct hit, and if it does, it will cause severe damage to a local areas. You wouldn't want to be in that local area.
You wouldn't.
Possible for the asteroid.
Asteroids hurtling towards
It's now right at the top of the monitoring system, so it's right at the top of it. And there's a lot that they're monitoring. They have this also another hazard scale. So the hazard scale, it marks it 3 out of 10 at the moment, but that's exactly. And they're saying that actually their early warnings always overestimate. It always errs on the side of it being closer to Earth and further away, so that they can be more cautious with their planning. So the closer it gets, we'll have a better understanding of its trajectory and its direct impact. So for the time being,
so you'll
don't worry. A date for your diary, 22nd of December, 2032.
That's the day to spend it first.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guess the weather.
I actually have some better news. Here's the details. So weather-wise, it's suddenly calmer and more settled. It's largely dry. It's a chilly start, and actually we've got some frost warnings across northern areas this morning because it's so icy and we have some showers around. So for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, the satellite and radar picks out just a few light showers, and it's cold enough for here on these cold... Good morning. I'm trying to deliver some better weather news, and actually the outlook is largely settled for today. We're just in a weak ridge of high pressure. Weather fronts are queuing up, though, to bring some rain across more northern areas as we head through the weekend, but the south is looking largely dry. More on that in just a moment. Here's how it looks right now. It's actually fine for many of us. Clear skies, just a bit in short supply. It will feel very nice indeed. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. And like I said, high pressure is dominating at the moment, and that keeps things fine and settled. But weather fronts start to make progress through the week, mostly across the north of the UK. But first of all, let's look across the north and our temperatures. So the white line in the middle is average. Temperatures sitting above average for the rest of the week, around about average at the lowest. And then percentage chance of rainfall, but it's largely dry today, and tomorrow just a few light showers around. Highest chance of seeing some wet weather in the form of a band of rain on Sunday, and showers for the start of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to average, and it sits a little above average. So actually, it's not too cold for the coming days, but with clear skies, it will be chilly at night. And then percentage chance of rainfall. It's largely dry for today. A few showers around for tomorrow. Into the weekend, Saturday is our driest day at the moment with some patchy rain on Sunday, but then next week is looking largely dry. Good morning to you. Now, a bit of a chilly start first thing this morning. We've had clear skies for most of us, and it means temperatures start just a few degrees either side of freezing. But for many of us, it is a largely fine day. So here's how it looks first thing. The satellite and radar shows it's largely clear and largely dry. A few showers for the north of Scotland and Northern Ireland. And here we have an ice warning for a good-looking day tomorrow, largely fine and dry with plenty of sunshine. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain here on ITV1. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. This is weather worth hearing because it is largely fine and dry. Plenty of sunshine for many of us. And I say largely dry, there's just a few showers around on the radar across parts of Northern Ireland and Northern Scotland, where we have an ice warning in force because temperatures start below freezing here. Pretty much a degree or two either side of freezing first thing this morning, but it means we're greeted with plenty of crisp winter sunshine. And the winds are light. So temperature-wise today, we're looking at 5 or 6 in the north, 7 or 8 in the south. But in the sunshine with the light winds, it will feel really, really lovely outside. Tonight, this band of rain slips southwards, so we're greeted by cloud and rain through southern areas, clear and chilly in the north, but that rain band clears away, and tomorrow ends up being another good-looking day.